Hello and welcome scholars. In our last video, we charted the complete map for NET English. Now it is time to conquer our first major landmark, the epic that stands at the very beginning of English literature, Beowulf. Some might see it as just an old story, but for NET JRF, it is a vital source of questions on themes, characters and historical context. आज हम इस एपिक को बस 15 मिनट्स में पूरी तरह से समझ लेंगे, guaranteed. First, let us understand why this text is non-negotiable for your exam. Beowulf is your gateway to the core values and culture of the Old English period, the foundational blend of pagan, Germanic and Christian traditions. Key literary concepts like the heroic code. These are not just topics, they are direct question areas in the exam. Let's start with the absolute essentials you must remember. Author of the poem is anonymous. This is a frequently asked fact. Period and language composed between 700 to 1000 AD in the Old English language. Form, an epic poem written in alliterative verse. Manuscript, the single surviving copy of Beowulf is found in the Novel Codex. The plot revolves around three legendary battles that define the hero's life. The first battle is with Grendel. Beowulf, a warrior of the Geats, travels to Denmark to aid King Hrothgar. He defeats the monster Grendel with his bare hands in Heorot, the mead hall. The second battle is battle with Grendel's mother. The next night, Grendel's mother attacks for vengeance. Beowulf dives into her underwater lair and slays her with a giant's sword. The third battle is battle with the dragon. 50 years later, an aged King Beowulf faces a dragon threatening his kingdom. He defeats it but is mortally wounded, ending his life as a tragic hero. Perfect. Now let us move beyond the plot and get into the symbolic analysis that the NET exam loves. Check out the table. This table is not just about what Beowulf fights, but what each monster represents. First, we have Grendel. The most crucial fact of your exam is right here, descendant of Cain. This is not just a detail, it is his entire symbolic origin. Biblically, Cain was the first murderer, cursed and exiled by God. In the same way, Grendel is the ultimate outcast. He is shut from the joy, light and community of Heorot. उसका अटैक सोशल ऑर्डर पर है, the comitatus, the barrier band and the king's hall. इसलिए his symbolic meaning is social evil, envy and isolation. नेट में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आता है. Grendel is traditionally seen as a descendant of, answer of course, Cain. Now the second battle, Grendel's mother. Notice the shift. Her primary motivation is not envy but vengeance. ये एक personal targeted retaliation है for her son's death. This makes her a more complex adversary. Her lair is not a dark borderland but a deep underwater cave, a visual for hidden depths and a more profound challenge. वो एक माँ है, which adds a layer of moral complexity to her violence. इसलिए she symbolizes personal vengeance and a more profound, complicated evil. Exam में they might ask you to contrast the nature of her threat with Grendel's. Finally, 50 years later, Beowulf faces the dragon. This is completely different class of enemy. There is no personal grudge. The dragon is an impersonal, ancient force, a guardian of a treasure hoard. What does a treasure hoard symbolize? Greed. But more than that, the dragon represents fate, mortality and the limits of the heroic code. Beowulf, now an aged king, meets an enemy that his strength alone cannot ultimately overcome. His victory requires sacrifice. इसलिए, the dragon's symbolic meaning is cosmic threat and inevitable destiny, Wyrd. This is the tragic final test. Memorize the table. So to recap the progression, Grendel attacks the social order. Grendel's mother attacks for personal revenge. The dragon presents an existential threat. This evolution shows the poem deepening from a battle against a social monster to a confrontation with fate itself. For the net, you must know these symbolic meanings by heart. They are the key to unlocking those higher order multiple choice questions. Now let us decode the major concepts examiners love to test. The heroic code. The ethos of loyalty, comitatus, bravery, strength, and the pursuit of fame, love. The hero's identity is built through action. Wyrd, fate. The Old English concept of fate. Heroes courageously accept their fate, their predetermined destiny. Christian versus pagan syncretism. This is a major discussion point. The poem has a pagan setting but was likely recorded by Christian scribes. Look for elements like Grendel's link to Cain. ये duality बहुत important है. Elegiac tone. The poem ends on a note of sadness and loss, mourning the passing of a great hero and his era. It emphasizes the transience of life and glory. Quick character insights are also crucial. We have seen Beowulf's battles and monsters, but the NET exam does not just test plots. It tests character contrasts and symbolic functions. इसलिए आज हम इस टेबल के थ्रू 3 मुख्य कैरेक्टर्स बेवुल्फ, ह्रोथगार और विगलेफ को कंपेयर करेंगे. ये कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस आपको MCQs को इजीली क्रैक करने में हेल्प करेगी. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद देयर बेसिक रोल एंड टाइटल. ये हमें उनकी स्टोरी में पोजीशनिंग बताता है. बेवुल्फ इज द ग्रेटेस्ट हीरो किंग. द एंटायर एपिक रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड हिम, फर्स्ट एज अ यंग वॉरियर, देन एज एन एज्ड किंग. Hrothgar is the aged Danish king. He is the established ruler when the poem begins, the wise but helpless king of the Danes. Wiglaf is the loyal Thane. Notice, he is not a king, he is a young warrior, a member of Beowulf's retinue. In one glance, we see the hierarchy, a past king, a present king, and a future hope. Now the most important part for character-based questions, their key traits. Beowulf's journey is defined by prowess, loyalty and sacrifice. यूथ में प्योर फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ, लेकिन एज अ किंग ड्यूटी एंड सैक्रिफाइस पैरामाउंट हो जाते हैं. Hrothgar is all about wisdom and generosity. He is the model king who builds Herod, the symbol of community and civilization. His greatest trait is giving wise advice to the young hero. Wiglaf embodies pure courage and loyalty. जब सारे थेन भाग जाते हैं, वो अकेला अपने किंग के साथ खड़ा रहता है. His key trait is integrity. अब आते हैं symbolic function पर. यहां से deep MCQs आते हैं. Beowulf is classic tragic hero. He embodies entire heroic code, but his story shows us its limits. His death is his final greatest act, a sacrifice for his people. He lives and dies by Wyrd, fate. Hrothgar is a foil and a prototype. Foil मतलब contrast. His wisdom contrasts with Beowulf's young rage. But he is also a prototype. Beowulf as an old king becomes a version of Hrothgar. Wiglaf is purely the future and the legacy. Beowulf's death is tragic, but Wiglaf's presence gives us hope. He symbolizes कि values, comitatus की true spirit survive करेगी. वो cowardly Thanes का direct contrast है. Lastly, चलिए इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को डायरेक्ट नेट JRF फोकस से जोड़ते हैं. ये वही पॉइंट्स हैं जो एग्जाम में डायरेक्टली आएंगे. फॉर बेवुल्फ, ऑलवेज थिंक हीरोइक कोड, विर्ड एंड द ट्रेजिक हीरो. द मिक्स ऑफ क्रिश्चियन सैक्रिफाइस एंड पेगन ग्लोरी इज की. फॉर Hrothgar, think the ideal of kingship. He is not the greatest warrior, but he is the wise ruler. Builder of Herod is a direct fact. For Wiglaf, the focus is on loyalty as the core virtue. His action is critique of the failed comitatus by others. Exam question पूछ सकता है, who upholds the warrior's code in Beowulf's final battle? So let's recap the big picture. This table is not just for memorizing, it is for understanding relationships. Hrothgar and Beowulf show the difference between a king and a hero, and between wisdom and action. Beowulf and Wiglaf show the passing of the torch. One hero's tragedy leads to another potential. नेट एग्जाम आपसे इन्हीं कॉन्ट्रास्ट एंड थीमेटिक कनेक्शंस की डिमांड करेगा. इसलिए इस टेबल को याद मत कीजिए, समझिए, कॉन्सेप्ट्स को रिलेट कीजिए, फिर कैरेक्टर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए इजी हो जाएंगे. थ्योरी क्लियर हो गई. Let's get practical. Here are some classic NET question patterns based on Beowulf. Remember, in the exam, you won't have time to overthink. You need instant recall. पहला क्वेश्चन, Beowulf belongs to which tribe? Options हैं Danes, Swedes, Geats and Jutes. Correct answer है Geats. Danes are Hrothgar's people. Beowulf is a Geat from southern Sweden. ये बेसिक फैक्ट है जो डायरेक्ट आता है. दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, ग्रैंडेल किसकी प्रोजनी है? बिल्कुल सही, केन. ये कनेक्शन क्रिश्चियन इन्फ्लुएंस को हाईलाइट करता है, जो कि एक फेवरेट टेस्टिंग पॉइंट है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, लिटरेरी डिवाइस पर वेल रोड फॉर सी क्या है? यस, इट इज अ कैनिंग, अ क्लासिक कंपाउंड मेटाफर इन ओल्ड इंग्लिश पोएट्री. इस डेफिनेशन को याद रखिए. So, for your final revision, just log these points. Beowulf is the foundational Old English epic. Remember the 3 battles and their symbolic monsters. The core tension is between the heroic code and Wyrd, fate. Note the critical blend of pagan story and Christian perspective. Its formal features are alliterative verse, kennings, and elegiac tone. If you find this mix of deep analysis and exam tricks helpful, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. This is just the beginning. In our next video, we will move to the profound world of the Anglo-Saxon elegies, the Wanderer and the Seafarer, and break down their melancholic themes for NET. Keep preparing with strategy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.